Hello all, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to be taking a closer look at two of the most popular web hosting options, which are shared web hosting and cloud hosting. I'll be showing you the differences between the two and which one is more suitable in which situation. Let's start with the shared web hosting. Before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now, let's get started. So, when it comes to the shared web hosting, this type of hosting involves in sharing a single physical server and its resources with multiple websites. So, your website is one of many on the same server, which means that you will be sharing the server's CPU, RAM, and storage with other users. One of the main benefits of the shared web hosting is that it's typically very affordable since you're sharing the cost of the server with so many users. You'll usually pay a lower monthly fee than you would for another type of hosting. Additionally, shared web hosting is generally easy to set up and use, so it's a good choice for beginners or people who don't have a lot of technical knowledge. Of course, there are some downsides to this shared hosting since you are sharing resources with other users. You might be experiencing slower loading times or performance issues if other another site on the same server is using a lot of resources. For example, additionally you'll have less control over your hosting environment since you're sharing it with others. And now let's move on to the other one, that is cloud hosting. With cloud hosting, your website is hosted on a network of virtual servers, which are spread out across multiple physical servers. This means that you have access to more resources than you would with shared hosting. And also, you can scale up or scale down as needed to meet your website's demands. So, this is one of the biggest benefits of cloud hosting, and that is its flexibility. Like, since you're not tied to any single physical server, you can easily add or remove resources like CPU, RAM, or storage, whichever is needed for you, and you can quickly scale up or scale down during the periods of high traffic, or you can just go to the scale down during the slower times to save the cost. So, which is another added advantage to this. And also, it has the reliability since your website is hosted across multiple physical servers, and it's less likely to experience downtime due to server failures or maintenance issues. So this cloud hosting providers also typically offer you backup and disaster recovery services to protect your data and ensure your website stays online even when it is in the event of failure. However, this cloud hosting tends to be a bit more expensive than the shared hosting. So, since you're paying for the access to a larger pool of resources, and also it can be more complex to set up and manage than the shared hosting. So, this cloud hosting is not the best choice for the beginners and for those who are not having any technical expertise. So, for the overall thing, the choice between the shared hosting and cloud hosting depends on your specific needs and budget. Shared hosting is a good choice if you are just starting out or have a small website with lower traffic, while cloud hosting might be a better option for you if you need more resources and flexibility to handle traffic spikes, or if you are running a large complex website or application. So if you are looking for a web hosting, so you can just go for that cloud hosting instead of just going for the shared hosting where there can be a chance of downtime and all. So these are the basic differences between the shared and cloud hosting. So they both of them have their pros and cons, so choose accordingly with your requirements. This is all for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.